Hey guys, what's going on? Shawners here. Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about something absolutely amazing that we've been working on for a very long time. It's finally over. It's finally finished, and finally I can make a video, talk about it a little bit, and share it with you guys for free. All right. So this video, I'm going to talk about making affiliate commissions without having to sell anything and without having to even generate leads. Because when it comes to making money online without selling anything, we usually talk about cost per action networks like Max Bounty or other places, but this is not even that. You don't even have to actually generate leads to make money. So it's pretty amazing. The way this works is just absolutely amazing. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to give you some history, and I'll explain how do you actually access this, because in order to get into this you have to pay a little bit, but for a short time you can actually get in for free, and I'll talk about it in a minute. So let's talk about a cost per engagement network and how can you get in without paying. Alright, so let's talk about it. Alright guys, so what the hell I'm talking about? Alright, so let's talk about cost per engagement networks. Now the thing is, when it comes to cost per engagement networks, you don't find that many of them out there, because running them is a little bit risky. You can run out of money pretty quick if you are not careful. A lot of you know me for my company University, but it's funny because I started Actionate before Adversity, and I've had this company for a very long time. And the thing is, the way Actionate works is that we had this private software. That this was something that I wasn't publicly talking about, because once in a while I would stumble across a good affiliate, and I would send him a personal invite to join Actionate and use it to make money. And yeah, this is something I've kept private for a very long time. Now I decided to just bring it to public, but obviously it's not going to be open. It's not going to be like a thing that everyone can join. I'll talk about it in a minute, but I decided to bring it out to public about a couple of months ago, like 2-3 months ago, and we've been working on a public version of this software for a very long time, and it's finally over. That's why I said I can finally talk about it, because it's pretty exciting. So the way a cost per engagement network works is that instead of you trying to get traffic, let's say as an affiliate, to make money by selling something, or driving traffic to generate a lead to make money, you can just simply drive traffic to a page and make money without having to sell anything, or without having to generate leads or stuff like that. It's pretty simple. The concept of it is pretty simple, and if you have a good one, again, the cost per engagement networks are pretty rare. You don't see that many of them out there, but it's a pretty easy way to make money. Now the thing with Actionate is that I wanted to make it in a way that everyone can use it, everyone can just make money with it, and more importantly, everyone can make money from it without having to do any advertising, because that's not fun if you have to do advertising for a cost per engagement. Obviously if you're doing affiliate marketing, that's a different story, but this one I want it to be completely free. That's why, like with Actionate, the public version of the Actionate, we're including a training. So right now I have, like, this is my own account. This is just like me looking at the development and everything, and as you see, we got everything. We got the training, we got the just all this stuff that you need. Anyway, so the reason I'm making this video is that usually if you want to join Action, it's going to cost some money. Not a lot of money, but it's going to cost some money. Obviously running this costs us. So what I want to do is, because we're coming out with the public version and we haven't really tested the public version when it comes to like how much people like it, how do you like the inside, like the dashboard and everything, because I want to make sure it's simple and easy to use, and it makes sense for our future members. So what I want to do is I want to give out 50 spots for free. Okay, 50 free spots. You don't have to pay anything, and when the actual final version is out, you get to keep your account. You don't. It's a beta test, but you get to keep your account. All right. So all you got to do if you want to test this out is to click the link in the description. That's going to take you to this page. where you can enter your information. All I need just is your name and email, and when the thing is ready, I'm gonna contact you. I'm gonna send you a link where you can register and open your account and use this thing. All right, so again, the thing is, since this is a beta, I'm not gonna obviously invite 1,000 people, just 50, I think maximum like 60-70 people, but that's pretty much it. So if you want to get access to this, because this is an account that you have to pay usually to get in, but you can actually get this for free since it's a beta test, and you get to keep your account. And this is some serious opportunity to make money. Like, the thing is, you know, obviously we're gonna have training inside that is gonna teach you how to make money with this for free, you know, without any advertising, anything like that. But it's pretty amazing things that you can do with it. You know, imagine you can just send traffic to a link and make money with it. It's pretty amazing. All right, so again, if you guys, the reason I'm making this video is that if you want to test this out for yourself, click the link that's going to take you to that page. You can just put your name and email, and you can just be in the list. So when it's ready, when the beta is ready, I'll send it out to you. It's going to be in a couple of days, I'd say by Friday. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. This is pretty cool. If you have some time, obviously you're gonna be working with me, so when you're testing this, I might contact you, and I might ask you a couple of questions, you know, about the whole experience and everything. But yeah, it's pretty amazing. If you are looking for an opportunity to make some money without having to put that much work into it, this is a pretty cool way to do it. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, the link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about this video. And by the way, leave a comment after you enter your information for the beta. Leave a comment, let me know when you're in. All right, so I can keep an eye on you and give you access. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.